Hey guys, SeaNymphs here. I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not dead. I hope you guys like the... I hope you guys liked my hair tutorial video thing we did. I don't know. The should put that in the title. People like that titles. Hope you guys liked the hair tutorial. Anyways, blue hair now. Face. Anyways, I feel like it's SeaNymphs. I love it. Let's see what else. Cool. We're starting to read Lord of the Flies. Or we're gonna start doing that someday. I don't know. But I'm really excited for that. Oh, my ex-boyfriend gave me this. His name is Peggy. Well, not my boyfriend, but this ex-boyfriend. But this name is Peggy. Isn't it cute? I love it. There we go. Now you can see me and Peggy. Yeah, we named it together. But yeah, I'm just making videos for YouTube. It made me happy, and now I'm happy again. So yeah, I don't know. Yeah, but this is Peggy, and the song is If Only They Knew by Rocket to the Moon, because they rock. This is the back of my phone. Isn't it pretty? I hate when songs don't play on YouTube because of copyright laws. Remember when that didn't happen on YouTube? Yeah, me too. Now it happens all the time. Sorry. Bad me texting. I hate when my phone autocorrects. Don't you hate when your phone autocorrects? Let's see. I feel like a blueberry and a SeaNymph. Sydney SeaNymph! Oh! No, haha, just kidding. I'm Sydney Snow. Just kidding. I'm a loser. I'm a really big loser. It's okay. I enjoy being a loser. Bye guys.